This last one is the easiest and most convenient way to deposit money into your Mbank account. Did you know that Mbank has a partnership with FAB Bank to offer customers with cash and check deposits? With a wide-range network of ATM and cash deposit machines, Mbank customers can now deposit cash into their Mbank accounts using FAB cash deposit machines. This is a game changer, and let me show you how to do it. This is so easy and quick. Once you are logged into your Mbank app, under the Services section, tap on View All. Then, go on the section where it says FAB Cash Deposits or FAB ATM Deposits. Agree to the terms of service, then select Cash Deposit via FAB ATM. Go ahead, enter the exact amount you want to deposit. As you can see on the screen, besides your amount you want to deposit, you will see the fees that will be charged for this transaction, which is 0. That's why I believe this is a game changer for all Mbank account holders. So, confirm and continue. This unique reference code will be generated. Visit any FAB deposit machine that is near you and complete your transaction.